So here's the pack. It is big. Inside right now, I have 2 of my largest sleeping bags. And hopefully you can see, even with 2 of my largest sleeping bags in here, there's still room on the top to go. So it is big. It is very big. The material that is used, let me get you a good shot of that. Here's the top pocket. You can see this. It's very tough. It's this thick, tough, almost like pond liner. That's not the right word for it. Material. I don't know how it'll hold up over time, because as it bends, you can see it getting a little distressed. So I am a little worried about that. Holding up over some abuse. You've got your rolls on top. My favorite feature of this so far is that this pack, this part down at the bottom here, comes off. It attaches with snaps. Here you've got your mole system, however that's pronounced, and that comes off. So not only do you have a handle on top, it also comes with a strap, a shoulder strap, that's inside, that you can attach. I don't know where I'm gonna store this shoulder strap when I'm not using it, but there's plenty of pockets on here. I could figure that out. Side pockets are all right, big enough to hold bottles of water. You've got all your extra straps. You can connect other packs if you want. Now, as far as the shoulder straps, so at least they're not completely together. You've got, I don't know, an inch of space in between. I kind of wish they were spaced a little bit farther. Just helps with the pressure on the neck. It is not at all adjustable for the torso. Whatever size torso you have, this is what you get, and hopefully it works for you. If you are anywhere around average, I think it'll be fine. But if you have an exceptionally long or short torso, this might not work for you because it is not adjustable. It does have the extra cushioning. It's not super thick, but it is there, and it's in the right spots. The belt only has the wider strap for this long, so it's not that supportive. But it's better than not having the belt strap, as you will all probably be able to attest. And it has a chest strap. The chest strap is adjustable. This can move up and down, which is really nice. If you're a guy or a gal, you can put that where you need it to be the most useful. So here it is. It's got some nice features and some not so nice features, so there you go.